This is a dolphin. Dolphins are beautiful creatures. They might look like fish, but dolphins are not fish at all. They have fins and a tail, and they swim in the sea. But dolphins are definitely not fish. They're mammals, and they need to breathe air just like we do. Dolphins talk to each other using lots of squeaking noises. If you listen carefully, you can hear them. Dolphins stay together in groups called pods. They try to look after each other, especially when there's a dangerous shark nearby. Sometimes dolphins make bubbles in the water. It looks as if they're turning the sea into a bubble bath. Dolphins are very playful too. Look at that one, catching some seaweed. Whoops, dropped it. This is a baby dolphin. It's learning to fish. The dolphin is sticking its nose down into the sand to see if it can feel any fish or shrimps. He's got one. Now it's time for some surfing. The rest of the pod are joining in. It looks like fun. Dolphins are fantastic swimmers and great surfers too.
I'm a barking dog. Ow, ow. Can you be an animal too? Ow, ow. What animal is this?
It's a dolphin. And what creature is Izzy? She's a white rabbit.
It's our planet!
Mountains are the tallest places in the world. They are so high up that they are higher than the clouds. The highest mountains are rocky, and right on the top, they are covered in snow. The tops of the mountains are cold enough for snow because they're so high up. Mountains can even be covered in snow in really hot places like Africa, where elephants live. The peak is the very highest point of all on top of a mountain. Mountains are so very high and cold and windy that not many animals can live there. These animals can, though. These woolly animals are a type of mountain goat. Their thick coats keep them warm, so they can climb all over the sides of the mountains. They're great at climbing and are quite safe up the mountain. Or are they? This is a type of big cat called a snow leopard. It has thick fur to keep it warm, and it hunts in the mountains for animals like mountain goats. These little creatures would make a nice snack for a hungry snow leopard as well. They're called pikas, and they're a bit like rabbits. They stay underground when it gets really snowy and cold, but when it gets warmer, they come out of their burrows to find food. These birds are called snowcocks, and they can live right up in the coldest, highest mountains where it's snowy all the time. They have feathers which they fluff up to keep them warm in the snow. But these birds here can fly even higher than a mountain. These are bar-headed geese, and they can fly as high as an aeroplane. Now these hairy animals are called yaks, and they're a bit like big woolly cows. They can live right up on the mountains. People use yaks to help them get around the Rocky Mountains. Some people try to climb to the tops of the highest mountains, but only a few people ever get to the top because it's so cold and windy high up. But amazingly, some animals live there all the time.